Hi viewers, today I'm going to make a review on 77RD Airmail Wality fountain pen. See, it comes in five colors. One is the slight blue gray color, and another one is the green color, and another one is the maroon and the blue and black body. Yeah, we will see each pen one by one. And if you see, please apply a Vaseline over here for good thread life over a long period of time. And you can fill ink in this barrel using a ink filler. It's a medium nib. It is 0.65 nib, and if you see the clip, it has a smooth fixing effect, and clip is also good. And if you see the length of this pen, it is around 135 mm, and the holding area is normal, and there is a taper portion, so I cannot tell an exact diameter. So for smaller hands and fingers, this pen is well suited. For children, this is more suitable. And let us see the writing of this pen. Yeah, this is really good. The writing is very smooth, and we can use high viscous ink also for this pen, not only less viscous ink. We can use any type of ink for this pen, since this is a medium nib pen. So this comes in a green color and maroon, blue and black. I can open and show you each pen. This is black pen. So this is blue, and this is maroon color, and this is green color, and this is yeah, blue mixed gray color. Thank you.